Huge thank you to you guys. We finally hit that 50,000 subscriber mark here on YouTube. And what a better way to give back than to announce our first giveaway. We are going to be giving away this Apexy metal diecast toy car that is fully customizable. It has wheels, body kit, V-mount intercooler setup, intake manifold setup, seats. It is fully customizable and it actually looks like a little garage the way it's set up in the box. You can keep this as a collector's item. These have been stored away somewhere in a pallet for over 10 years. To enter this giveaway, comment down below, eat more sushi. We're going to go ahead and select a winner from the comments, and the giveaway is going to end on December 23rd. We're going to go ahead and pick a winner on December 26th. For you to also win, you do need to be a subscriber, and you need to verify that with us, and we will need your details from that point on, so that way we can get this item out to you. Again, huge thank you guys for all the support over the past few years. We just want to go ahead and share our passion for these builds with you, and again, thank you for sticking around for so long, and here's to another 50,000 subscribers and the next giveaway. For those of you that don't know who Apexy Japan is and what this car is all about, this is one of their most iconic builds to date. It was a championship D1 GP winning car piloted by Yoichi Imamura back in the early 2000s. Now you guys may have seen that recently in the RSR Drift Festival, he repiloted this car back in Japan after it being stored in the US for so long. That's why we're giving this thing away for the first time. It's a huge commemoration piece to the history of Apexy USA and Apexy Japan.